One note. One note with vibrato. Slide up to a note from an undefined point on the guitar neck. Slide up to a note from an undefined point on the guitar neck with vibrato. Slide down to a note from an undefined point on the guitar neck. Slide down to a note from an undefined point on the guitar neck with vibrato. First hit the note, then slide down to an undefined point on the guitar neck. Hammer on from the 5th fret to the 7th fret. Only hit the first note. Slide up from the 5th fret to the 7th fret. Slide down from the 9th fret to the 7th fret. Pull off from the 9th fret to the 7th fret. Bend up from the 7th fret till you reach the pitch of the 9th fret. Bend up from the 7th fret till you reach the pitch of the 9th fret with vibrato. Slightly bend up the note. Bend up from the 7th fret till you reach the pitch of the 9th fret, then release the bend to the pitch of the 7th fret. Bend up from the 7th fret till you reach the pitch of the 9th fret, release the bend to the pitch of the 7th fret and immediately pull off to the 5th fret. Frill. Hit the first note and then hammer on and pull off after each other. You can do the same, only now start with a pull off. A muted note. Play the open D string but mute the string with your right hand palm. Here are a few muted notes played one after another. This is also a muted note but played while playing the 7th fret. Also muted with the right hand palm. Here's another notation for the same thing. Pre-bend. First bend up the string from the 10th fret without hitting the string. Then play the pitch from the 12th fret and then release the bend to the pitch of the 10th fret. Rake. Mute the D, G, and B string with your right hand palm and play the last note on the high E string without palm muting. Here you dip the note. First play the note and after that bend the whammy bar down slowly. A natural harmonic. You can play this note by picking an open string and simultaneously slightly touch the string with your left index finger. There are several natural harmonics you can play on the guitar neck. The most common ones are on the 12th, the 4th, the 5th and the 7th fret. You can hear these notes even more when you turn up the compression and/or distortion level. A pinch harmonic. You can play this note by picking a string and simultaneously slightly touch the string with the fleshy part of your picking hand. Mostly the thumb. Pinch harmonic with vibrato. First play the pinch harmonic at the 7th fret and then bend the note up till you reach the pitch of the 9th fret. The same with vibrato. A pinch harmonic with a dip.